choose the function, we use the M button. So keep pressing M button, it will get the function you want. So press one time M, manually input the data, press another time, let's go into the book cover model, and press again, going into flat back book model. Again, load the data from 1 to 30 group. Press again, save data, still 1 to 30 groups. Then press again, select speed for the machine speed lower or high. Press again, calibration. Normally you don't have to do this calibration, I did it. Press again, go into paper feeding. So the paper feeding now, it's we choose no is because we're using auto feeding. We don't have to use the manually feeding, so that is no. Then press again, go into ready screen. So this is a circle. If you keep pressing, there will be a function you need. Press, then press M again, load the data, again saving, again select speed, again calibration, again. These ones you don't have to do anything. So normally we just do the manual input, we need to use, and the book cover, we use that. And this flat back book, it's not normal use. And this one, load the data, yes, we use. Saving data, yes, we use. And select speed, yes, we use. And calibration, we normally don't have to do that. And this one, paper feeding, normally don't have to do that. That's it.